Are y'all tired of people telling y'all Canva can code now, Canva can code now, but they're not showing you any proof? They're not showing you how to do it. Let's learn how to do it. We're gonna do it together because I have not tried it yet. So if I mess up, don't laugh, because y'all gonna see it first. So let's go ahead and pull it up. Let's go ahead and think of an app that we want to create, and then let's go ahead and get it done. So firstly, this is what your new dashboard will look like once you get the updates. So let's go in here to Canva AI is where you'll find it, and then let's scroll all the way down to the end. It says code for me. Then we can see what we want to code. They have already prompted lists right here, but if you want to do something totally different, then just go ahead and type it in your box. Don't worry if you don't have ideas, here you go. There's a ton of ideas of what it's capable of doing. It can work in the classroom, it can work for your designing business, it can work for making menus for your restaurant, you name it, you got it, okay? Interactive flashcards, whatever. So let's go think of one that we want to create and let's put it in and see if it creates it. Before you get started on making your codes, make sure it's an item that you can actually use in your business or use with your niche. This is going to be called the Smart Caption Generator for busy moms, and it's going to give you those quick SEOs to make sure your video gets found and it's not lost in the shuffle. It's based on your niche, audience, and goal, and this is the problem it solves. This is the features it has, and we're about to create it. And then I even say give me a description of the code that is needed, and what's the core functionality, code requirements, and it even gave us a little preview of what the codes that we'll be using are. So let's go ahead and generate this. So I took what ChatGPT gave me and I copied and pasted it into here. We're back into Canva, back under the create a code for me. So now let's go ahead and generate that. Okay. Now it's coding, and it tells you line by line what is coding, how it's coding, everything. And you see it's in seconds. It has already generated 40 lines for me. I would have never been able to do this by myself. It's 220 lines in seconds. Look at it telling me the call to action ideas. Wow. Knows me so well, it's even including motivation. Look at this, y'all. 591 lines later is now ready and it's ready to use. So basically on here, you'll choose your niche. You'll choose what kind of tone you want to have. Motivational, sassy, whatever, humorous. Then you'll choose what you want to do. What's your goal? To teach someone, promote a product, to build awareness, build community. So the part that you put underneath your video will populate by itself based on what your goal is. And then it even includes your call to actions. Just a quick, simple call to actions. So it takes the guesswork out of what to put in your captions. And I made this in seconds. And if you don't like the version number 1, you can refresh and do a version number 2, 3, 4, whatever. And then you can actually input this into your design so you can save it for later. Actually, let's test it out. Let's test it out, y'all. Okay. So I'm going to go down here, put mompreneur because that's what I am. Let's put motivational. Let's do motivational for now. And let's do to build community. And then let's see what it has to say. Here we go. Your potential is limitless. Remember that on your hard days. Build a business while raising humans is no small feat. Give yourself grace in the journey. Share your journey in the comments. And then it has the hashtags already for me. Already ready. You can literally copy it with a clipboard. Or you can save it to your library, add it to your calendar. I just told them they didn't add the SEO feature, so now they're redoing it to add my SEO feature that I desperately need for things like TikTok and Instagram. So now I've created 3 versions for me. One is very simplified, one has an SEO feature, and then one has everything, all the options, the answers, no repeated answers and all that. So you put ask me anything if they're missing anything, and it will add it and recode it. So now look at it. It has a caption generator, template library, SEO optimizer, and a content calendar. Tell me this won't be useful.